Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI, and this Vanilla Milkshake Protein Powder is my family's new favorite.
My kids are very picky eaters, so I found that making smoothies for them is very helpful. I've been adding protein powder to try to make sure that they get enough protein for the day, but sometimes they're even picky when it comes to flavors of protein powder. This protein powder is so yummy. It's definitely saying something if my kids love it. And it actually tastes like the flavor that it says it is, just like you're adding some ice cream to your smoothie. And the good news is there's always a little bit left for me, and it is so delicious.
So if you are looking for a yummy protein powder just to add a little something extra yummy to your drink, your smoothie, I would highly recommend this product. It tastes so good, it's so smooth, it's just really delicious. My family loves it, I love it, it tastes great, and that's my point of view.